The first order of business this evening is the presentation of gifts to our graduating seniors. As a tradition, each senior receives a plaque with their name and years of service to JROTC. Seniors, when your name is called, please advance to the stage to receive your gift. Please hold your applause until all names have been called. Andrew Franks, Katie Jewett, Joey Seaton, Joe Farmer, Clayton Needham, Anthony Gomez, Jeff Hudson, Don Jolly, Tiana Rick, Eric Relier, Aaron Paulette, Carlos Ramirez, Ashley Loaf, Christian Glenn, Bradley Morris, Jerry Ortiz, Colin Roy, Adam Martin, Amanda Mercier, and Kimberly White. Seniors, thank you for your service and commitment to the Hermitage JROTC program. Your efforts have positively impacted the future of this program and will not be forgotten.